Sure, Verlin. Yeah, of course, it's one of the most emotive topics, coming to the number. Uh, and there are a lot of conventional ways you go through all the books and courses, and people will tell you about easy things, but they're all data points. So let's start for a moment with how we value the company when we're doing the investment, because I think it's helpful to understand the journey. We look at the future of the company. So when we're valuing a startup at investment, there's no significant historical data or analytical data that can tell us what the right price is. But if we're looking at it and agreeing with the founder that in 7 years it's going to do a $200 million exit, we can then look along the nature of growth of a business and say, to get to a $200 million exit, what should the valuation be today if we assume, say, that the valuation has to double every year or every 6 months, depending on the sector and the location in the world and in the market, to get there with enough safety that you don't overvalue and hit a down round along the way. So for us, it's a very important part of the thinking. So when we're looking forward and saying, well, how do you look at striking that future valuation? Well, certainly you can start by looking at the strategic value that the business is going to have to the acquirer. So if you think about what I said a few moments ago, how big does the acquirer have to be able to afford the valuation you think you're going to have?